Today on DVS-TV, successful Wire and Tube 2014 in Düsseldorf, Aluminium 2014, 10th World Trade Fair and Conference, DVS-TV at EuroBlech 2014, 6th India ESSEN Welding and Cutting 2014, Lorch opens new premises in India, Agrostroj relies on CLOOS welding technology, and Weld Wizard app for welding parameters. Welcome to DVS-TV International News. The two leading trade fairs, Wire and Tube 2014, were held in April. More than 2,500 international exhibitors from the wire, cable and tube industries came to Düsseldorf to show their innovations to 72,000 trade visitors from 104 different countries. Both fairs were a great success. They recorded exhibitor growth as well as a significant increase in booked exhibition space. The next Wire and Tube will once again take place simultaneously in Düsseldorf from the 4th to the 8th of April 2016. Autumn is approaching and, with it, the start of the next trade fair season. The 10th Aluminium will take place from the 7th to the 9th of October. About 950 exhibitors from 50 nations are expected at the Düsseldorf Exhibition Center. Aluminium 2014 will present the sector's full performance spectrum, from the production of the base material through to its processing and the finished product. Several country pavilions will reflect the trade fair's international relevance, and theme pavilions will provide visitors with an overview of individual key themes. Research institutes will find a stage at the Research Forum, while Aluminium's new International Forum will provide information about the two emerging markets, China and India. Last but not least, the European Aluminium Award will be presented at the Aluminium Night on the 7th of October. The overarching theme of the Aluminium Conference 2014 will be Aluminium, Material for the Future. Later that month, the 23rd International Sheet Metalworking Technology Exhibition EuroBlech will open its doors in Hanover, Germany. From the 21st to the 25th of October, more than 1,500 exhibitors from 40 countries will present their products across 8 exhibition halls. DVS-TV will be there to report about the new and exciting machines, tools and systems. At the end of October, from the 28th to the 30th, the 6th India ESSEN Welding and Cutting will take place in Mumbai. The leading industry event for the South Asian region will be held simultaneously with the theme-related trade fairs Tube India, Metallurgy India and Wire and Cable India. With the 6th India ESSEN Welding and Cutting, Messe Essen, together with its partner, Messe Düsseldorf India, and the patron, the German Welding Society (DVS), will offer the optimum setting for entering one of the world's most dynamic growth markets. India ESSEN Welding and Cutting will also be devoted to the exchange of knowledge between manufacturers, users and researchers. The DVS will therefore again enhance the show with a top-caliber specialized conference. It will be entitled High Performance Welding Technologies in 2014. Lorch Schweißtechnik GmbH from Auenwald, Germany has opened a new welding technology competency center in Pune, India, with its subsidiary Lorch India Welding Products Private Limited, Kolkata. With the official inauguration of new premises in Pune, Lorch India now has a second permanent presence in India. Pune is a center for car manufacturers and their suppliers, as well as for the manufacturing industry. Consultations, demonstrations, service and spare parts of the highest quality can be provided from the new base. The Lorch Don Bosco Welding Technology School of Excellence is directly attached to the competency center. Agrostroj is the largest producer of agricultural machinery in the Czech Republic. The company's products have to comply with stringent quality and safety directives. When it comes to welding robots, the Czech company relies on CLOOS welding technology. 70 robots and 600 welding power supply units from CLOOS are in use so far. The multi-axis robot is mounted overhead on a rotating C-stand, which positions it for the next weld. The C-stand travels on a 25-meter-long floor-mounted linear track, which allows the robots to switch between two workstations. Kineo welding power sources supply the torches on the 7-axis Keyrox robots with the right amount of power depending on the weld geometry and the material used. The robot systems are controlled by the Keyrox controller. All processes in the system can be operated via the PHG programming device. The Fronius Weld Wizard app for Android, iOS and BlackBerry devices helps to identify and optimize welding parameters. The software lets users calculate the deposition rate and the energy per unit length on the basis of interpolated welding parameters. It takes account of the stated welding power source and the available welding processes. The wire feed speed, the weld seam area and the deposition rate are calculated on the basis of the entered parameters for the welding task. Once the user has entered the type of arc and the desired welding process and position, the tool can be used to calculate the guideline values for amperage and voltage and the energy per unit length. The parameter records can be saved, administered and shared with other users by means of the job manager. The Weld Wizard is available in German and English. It can be downloaded free of charge from the Apple iTunes Store, the Google Play Store and the BlackBerry App World. Thank you for watching DVS-TV News. See you next time!